Are you looking for an insurance policy for your car? Today there are a lot of insurance policies available, and if you have to choose one, collision insurance stands out amongst them. This is a type of car insurance wherein cars collide due to accidents or untoward incidences. Accidents can happen anytime when driving. One of the most common incidents is collision of cars, where car damage can be costly. The problem with collisions is that both parties can't seem to settle right away who is at fault, but if you have an insurance, you don't need to worry about having the car repaired. It even covers when your car hits a tree or a huge rock. Collision coverage. The coverage of car collision varies from one company to another. They consider various factors like the age, driving experience, and the location. The car type and model is also being considered, and even the purpose of using the car. The downside of regular insurance is that it only covers the repairs and claims when the car collided with another car or an immovable object. It does not, however, pay for medical bills and other compensations for people who are affected of the situation. There are basically three types, which include the standard option, limited option, and the broad term options. The limited option collision coverage has the least coverage amount that anyone can get. The main downside of this coverage is when you are at fault of the accident, you will not get anything from the insurance company. On the other hand, if the accident happened not because of your negligence but the other parties, then the company will cover the expenses. The other type is the standard option, wherein the company pays the expenses regardless of who is at fault. This means that the coverage does not examine or investigate who is responsible for the accident. The deductible is from $250 to $1,000, where insurance holders can claim after the accident. There are some instances where deductibles are not asked but the premium is higher. Thus, this kind of insurance is best for average drivers who earn well and can pay the premiums. Lastly, the broad term option is the most expensive of the three. This is best when the accidents happen because of negligence of the insurance owner and there is a broad term. The good thing about this is even if the other party is the cause of the accident or collision, there is no need to pay any deductible because the company pays for it too. Applying for this is also easy and straightforward. All you need is to fill out the form or fill it up online. Then the company studies your form and see if you pass the application for desired insurance. After thorough analysis and study, the insurance company approves your application. What is the difference between collision and liability insurance? Insurance holders are confused with the two, and to make proper distinction, collision insurance is given when any sort of accident happens. On the other hand, the liability insurance is claimed when the other party is at fault and they are asked to pay for the damages. The collision insurance covers up to the amount of payment that is equivalent to the price of your car. And if the expenses in a year exceed the car's value, the company will not pay for it anymore. Owning your car is a privilege, so you should take care of it. Getting your car insured is essential so that you don't have to worry in case of any damage. Before you sign for any insurance, make sure to look into the details of collision insurance. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.